Day 2, woke up in the middle of the ocean, then went for a buffet-style breakfast. So you know, me damn little bit of everything. The food was delicious and the ocean view was so nice, but the boat did a rock little bit and we did not get dizzy, so you know, we did not forget used to that. Then we went to Kirk Franklin live in concert. Kadii did know all I'm sang them, and he did an amazing performance. Go back to the cabin to see it well tidy. The pool deck had all the excitement. We went down there, we heard reggae, dancehall, soca, all of the Caribbean music. I would do the Jamaican dance and we drift, we no linger. Listen, big up DJ Live Wire. Thank you for recognizing us. All hula hoop me I try. Watch me. We turn up the ship with vibe and energy, had everybody complimenting us. Muggling one, we take a couple pics, then we go buy a Starbucks and they did a free coffee. Then look where my mother reached, the casino. Dinner time, we dressed up and went to main dining, and we saw Kirk Franklin, took some pics with him, and we're in the night on the hip strip. Follow for day 3 fantastic voyage